Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Today, went to Mickey D's because they have a new Happy Meal out. They have the Disneyland 70th Anniversary Happy Meal. That's right, Disneyland 70th Anniversary Happy Meal. Only at McDonald's. And I've heard the little toy things inside, they focused a lot more on modern things than classic Disney, but we'll take a look and see. There's the side there once again. The dumb, smiley, happy face. I never did get the happy face thing. McDonald's has been trying to make this a thing for years, and it just doesn't work. My apple slices, they just have they've got Zootopia 2 still in the apple slices, but the toy, this is the thing we're all here for. The Disneyland 70th Anniversary toy. Got one of all those figures there you can possibly have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one of 50 possible characters you could get. Oh, actually there's more. It's not 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10. So one of 70. So 7 there it says on the side. 70 toys, 70 years. So one of 70 possible toys you could get. Let us see which one I have gotten. And I've got this critter here, a turtle. I don't even know what this turtle is from. Does anyone out there know what this turtle is from? I'm gonna have to look that up and see, because I really don't know. So give me one moment, I'll be right back. So I did look it up. I should have known. I just couldn't think of anything. This is Crush from Finding Nemo. Actually, it's Turtle Time with Crush. It's supposed to be, but Crush was in Finding Nemo, so it's Crush the Turtle is what this character is. Now look at it, it does kind of look like Crush. I'm not going to attempt the voice because it's not I don't do a very good voice, but so yeah, that's what we got there. Turtle Time with Crush, the McDonald's Disneyland 70th Anniversary toy collection. Well, this has been another Adventure in TV Land. I thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.